going to show you in this video how to create a block list in PowerPoint. So here I have this text. If you right click or you just highlight all the text and then you right click, here you have this option, convert to SmartArt. And now here you should see a block list. You can also click on more smart graphics, and usually this is the block list. There's so many other picture caption lists, but I like this block list, and that's how you create a block list. Now click on OK, and you have a block list. I'm just gonna delete this once here. Just click on delete, or you can also right click and on the shape, actually on the shape, not on the text, and then you have the option to delete. And now the reason why you should be using a block list is because it's quite easy to edit, to scale the shape, the rectangle. And if you were to use separated text and shape, then you're gonna have a hard time resizing the text, because you can only resize the image, the shape, but you can do it with this, you can do it at the same time. Right now, if I scale the shape, it will actually scale the text as well, and you also have other options. And here now, if you want, you can select here all the shapes, Control+A, or you can use Shift and select which ones you want. I'm going to press Control+A to select all. And now here in Home, you have you can change shape, fill, and of course now we need some text. And I'm gonna go with this color, and here I'm gonna add some shape outline as well, a simple one. Okay, this looks nice. And now if you want, you can also go to Format, Shape, and here you also have text options. And with this one here, you can change the fill, solid or gradient or text outline. You can add some text outline or not. And here, what I like, here you can change from with text box, you can change vertical alignment, and this is really helpful. This saves you a lot of time. And you can also add left margin, right margin, top margin, and bottom margin. That's why it's good to add the text inside a shape. And now we can select here all the text and change the font. And now another thing that you can do is to you can also go to Smart Design, and here you can change this effects. You can add different effects. As I said, you can also do it from here in shape options. You can add some effects. You should see all the effects, but make sure you select all of them, and then you can add here some effects. And now here you should be able to see the shadow. Now we can also add some reflection as well. So yeah, there's a lot of options available, and you can also add no reflection but some shadow. And we can also maybe change, we can go to Format, change shape, and change to this shape. This looks better. Here you can make larger, smaller, and oh, I like from here you can change the shape. That can save a lot of time, of course. And now here in Smart Object, as I showed you, you can really add really nice designs from here. You can still do this in a format shape, but these presets can really save you time and help you. Because now, let's say you want, you can still add some, I mean, if I change to nothing here, as you can see with this inner shadow, you can add the really interesting shadows. Let's say this one, and it adds this nice reflection here. This one here. So this looks pretty good. And we can also go to animation and add some fly, then effects options one by one, and then you have this pretty cool animation. You can go to animation plane, and here you can see the animation. You can click on with previous, so this will start actually with previous, so you don't have to click, which is great. Effects options, and here you have some effects after animation. You can dim SmartArt animation one by one. You can reverse roll, and then it starts like this. Increase the duration here if you grab it like this, and now we can preview here, and now it's much slower. So that's pretty good and really helpful. And you can also see here all the actually diagrams. You just have to double click. So that's really helpful. Now this 3D one looks pretty nice. You also have this one. And we can also right click here and format background and add some solid background. And of course, it's important to change the text as well. We can change here and change Jason upper and here down, and let's click on enter so we can space this and increase text. We can space this as well. Maybe we want to uppercase this one, uppercase as well. Let's see this one. We can change the color to something else, and if you want to apply the same one so you don't spend that much time, you can go here to format painter, and it's like actually adding that effect, so or that format painter here, and this will copy this effect. Pretty helpful format painter. Like this, and with this one, the format painter can help you to create just to format or copy the effect. And also here I would like to add this shadow, and here in outline we can use arrows up and down and add some outline. Now we can add text more, and the background, I'm gonna turn this off, but it's good to have at least a smart guide, can help you. Now here, maybe we decide to change this smart art, so we can right click here. So for all the shapes and text, and here you have convert to a text. or convert to shapes. You can convert to a shape, and then you can also change some of the things here. And then you can right click on this text, and now, or you can just highlight all the text. Then here you have the option to convert back to a smart object. Usually it works sometimes just if you just click here, but I don't know. Sometimes you can't see that, and you won't see the smart object. But if you just highlight, then you'll be able to see. Now we have a different smart object here. We can hold shift. Hold shift, and then we can go to home here and just increase the text. Move a couple of things here. So absolutely SmartArt can help you to really make your presentation, your slide look much better in a really short amount of time. So thank you for watching.